Hey folks, if you have an SUV and a puppy, sometimes you want to find a way to get them in and out. And I think I found the best solution for us, which is the Pet Runa Pet Steps. So let's take a closer look at these. So coming right out of the bag, you can tell that these do not take up a lot of space. And how they work is super simple. All you have to do is extend them out, put them on the back of your SUV, and now your pet has steps to get up into the SUV. These come in two sizes. This is the standard size, and then there's an oversized. And really the main difference besides the width of the steps is the fact that these hold 150 pounds while the larger ones hold 250 pounds. You can adjust them to fit your pets by moving them in and out so that they can move up and down in your SUV. They also have a rubber protected handle so it's not going to damage the backside of your SUV. And one important feature I want to bring up about this Pet Runa step system is this clip right here. It hooks onto the latch for the trunk, so this is not going anywhere. Your pet's not going to slip off when they get on here, and it's not going to cause it to fall over. When you're taking them and putting them into your SUV, it does not take up a lot of space, as you saw coming out of the back. So let me get Tucker and show you how easy this is. So Tucker's never really been a fan of the pet ramp. He tends to slide down them. So let's see how he does with the steps. There you go. Come on. Good boy. Right up the steps. But what you want to know is would I recommend them or would I buy them again? Absolutely. There's a lot that I really like about these Pet Runa steps. They come in two sizes. They have a weight capacity of 150 or 250 pounds. They have a locking system up here which prevents the steps from falling over. They have a bag or a carrying strap, and they're lightweight. Plus steps, dogs are used to these in the home, so this isn't something unnatural to them like a pet ramp. So it's the perfect addition for our SUV to make sure that Tucker can get in and out safely. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.